everyone, my name is Ariana. Today we're going to read a story called Matter. Birds in the sky, rocks on the ground, things are made of matter, are all around. Solids, liquids, and gases too. Make up the world, including you. Matter is everything, everywhere you look. Almost everything. How, how can you see to read this book? If your friend might ask you, what's the matter? Matter is not something that can be wrong. When something is a matter, a good friend helps you feel better. Maybe they share a cupcake with you. Maybe they stand on their head to make you laugh. Maybe they just sit close by and wait until you feel better. Did you ever heard someone say that doesn't matter? When you spilled your cup of water, your teacher might say that doesn't matter. When you use your brother's toothbrush, your brother might say that doesn't matter, but probably not. Yuck. Matter is more than something that can be wrong or something that happens. Matter is much more. When scientists talk about matter, they are making up stuff that makes up almost everything in the world. Your dog is made of. Your dog is made of matter. That tree is made of matter. You are made of matter. Matter is everything that takes up space and can be weighted. How do you weight things? With a scale? How much do you weigh? How much does your shoe weigh? How much does your dog weigh? How much does that tree weigh? What about air? Air is made of matter, but what happens when you blow air into a balloon? The air stretches bigger and bigger. The balloon stretches bigger and bigger, sorry. The balloon might even pop because the balloon gets bigger when you blow air into it. You know that the air takes up space. Air is made of matter. Try this. Blow up 2 balloons so they can be about the same size. Tie each balloon to the end of a ruler. Tie a string in the middle of the ruler and hold the ruler by the string to move the string. Move the string so the ruler is completely straight across. Ask an adult to use a pin to poke a hole in the balloon. What happens to the ruler as the balloon loses air? What does it show? What does it show you? What does it show you about air? What about juice, water, and milk? Those things are made of matter. When you just pour a cup full of juice, is heavier than an empty cup. And when you see the juice take up space, and when you drink the juice, your belly feels fuller. Matter can be made. Many things can be made of matter, but everything looks different. You look different from your dog. Your dog looks different from your milk. Your milk looks different from steam that comes from a pot of boiling water. Matter can have many different shapes, colors, and sizes. Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Do you have an ice cube in your freezer? What happens if you leave the ice cube on your kitchen counter? It melts into a puddle of water. And what if you leave the puddle of water on the counter unless your mom makes you clean it up? It disappears. You can name 15 things. Try this. You can name 15 things that are made of matter. 5 solids, 5 liquids, and 5 gases. Plasma is also another state of matter. Have you ever watched a lightning storm from your window? Lightning is plasma. Did you know anything else there? Did you know what else is made of plasma? The sun and all the stars. There's more plasma in the universe than there is solids, liquids, and gases. When something, when's what are some things that you are not made that are not made of matter? Look around you. Can you see something that doesn't take up space and can't be weighted? How about that sound? How about rainbows? How can you see to the read? How can you see to read this book? Light. Does light take up space? Is there lots of light in a room? Does that mean other stuff has to get shoved over to make enough space? Can you hold your hands? Can you put light on your scale and weigh it? How would you keep it all together so you could weight it? Light is not made out of matter. Light does not take up space and it can't be weighted. Here's another thing that's not made out of matter. Can you think of more things that aren't made out of matter? Most things are made. Can you stop for a minute? Mama, video का record میکنم. When things are made of matter, your home, your classroom, and your neighborhood are filled with matter. Take a walk. You'll find matter all around you. The next time someone says it doesn't matter, you can tell everything is matter. Bye everyone. Hope you enjoy.